If you have data in one Excel sheet, but you need information from a different sheet, VLOOKUPs can help. And in our example, we'll take a list of orders and add product prices to it, which are actually stored somewhere else. So in my order sheet, I'll start my VLOOKUP formula. And my lookup value, the first thing I've got to provide, is going to be the product ID. That's what I'm going to look for in the other sheet. That's how they're connected. Then I'll add a comma to the formula, and then I'll go to the product sheet. And I'm going to select all three columns as my table array. And that's got to include the product ID and the price. Both have to be in my selection. And product ID has to be first because that's what we're using to search, to look up the information we need. Then I'll add a comma, and my column index number will be 3 because price is in the third column of my table array, or the selection I just made. And to finish this, I'll add a comma and false. And false just means we're looking for an exact match, not an approximate match. Now to fill the formula all the way down the column, I'm going to double click the bottom right corner of the cell. And this gives me enough information to calculate the order total by multiplying the quantity and the price in this order sheet. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more. And if you want to go deeper, I have a full Excel course in the links below.